Tuturo ko kayo dito sa Cabarugis Campus. Ito po ang Registrar Office ng Cabarugis. Sige po guys, yung pag mag-enroll po kayo dito po ba na po. Diretso lang po dito sa window. And dito din po yung finance office. Dito po ang marketing building. Tara naman po sa College of Teacher Education Department. Teacher Education Department. College of Business Education, College of Civil Engineering, College of Hospitality Management, College of Midwifery Department. Ito po yung daan guys na papunta sa Knowledge Center. Our Knowledge Center or Library. Criminology Department. College of Computer Science Department. Guys, dito po ang Medical Clinic and Guidance Office.